Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. We'll try to keep today's job lead very short, sweet, and to the point, as I know we're all gearing up for the holiday weekend. Just a quick reminder, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So always do your own research before you provide your personal information to any of these companies, and the job links straight to the applications so that you can apply to these jobs is in the description box of YouTube right down below the video. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company PetDesk. Now, PetDesk provides communication solutions and software solutions to veterinary offices. They are hiring a customer success coordinator to work remote from home. This is a full-time job, and this is in the United States only. Now it says, as a customer success coordinator, you'll be responsible for coordinating the high volume, time sensitive, and critical project functions to support the enterprise customer success team. So this includes assisting with reporting and data analysis, updates to the CRM, project work for customers, and any administrative support, including scheduling meetings or taking notes. They're looking for someone to work in a team environment and coordinate efforts with the fellow team members and share best practices, insights, and learnings across the teams. Someone to apply critical thinking and data analytics skills, someone to manage multiple projects from start to finish while maintaining the deadlines, and fully understand customer requests. Now, they are looking for someone that has 1 year experience in customer success or a sales role. They say veterinary industry experience is preferred but not required. Someone who has excellent organization and time management skills, someone who has great people skills, and someone who has experience with Salesforce is a plus. Now, this is a full-time position, and they expect the hourly rate to be $22 to $24 an hour. So that is a very great rate for a customer support, customer success specialist. PetDesk also offers quite a few great benefits, including medical coverage for employees and dependent, health savings accounts, basic life and accidental death and dismemberment insurance. They also offer stock options, so that is additional pay. So if you can buy the stock at a discounted price and then it goes up and you sell it, that's like extra money. They offer paid time off, and it says they also offer paternity leave. So if you adopt a pet, you get time off just to cuddle with your new pet, which is awesome. And they offer a $250 annual PetDesk scholarship stipend for L&D. One thing I would note, if you're going to put the application in, the link goes straight to this page. There's a lot of information about PetDesk, but if you just keep scrolling all the way down, you get to the job description, and then you can keep scrolling down and apply for this job. If you have a LinkedIn account, you can just sign into your LinkedIn account and have all your information straight sent to them through LinkedIn. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.